this is Steve from OpenBOM, and in today's video I'd like to introduce you to some new awesome functionality for Solidworks users. It's the command to save part from Solidworks to OpenBOM. So let's get started. The idea behind this is, as you know now, we create BOMs and catalogs from Solidworks assemblies. But in this use case here, I'd like to save my molded parts in their own OpenBOM catalog so I can track additional costs and shipping costs and things that might be associated with just molded parts. So the way that this works is we open a Solidworks part, and the first thing we notice is that there's now an OpenBOM menu in a Solidworks part. That's new for the May 2020 release. We can visit our settings, and we also have a new option here to set our default catalog. In my case, I've set it to molded parts commodity. Let me find that here. Molded parts commodity catalog. And I'll say OK. Well, let's just let you see what that is that molded parts commodity is a catalog I've created in OpenBOM. It's just got one line in it. It's just blank. I used the create catalog command and built the catalog. So there's nothing special about it at all. So I've decided now that I want to save this molded part into that catalog. So I'm going to use this new command, add update part to OpenBOM. And what OpenBOM does is it takes a look around and see if it finds that part in any existing catalogs. And in my case, we found it in these other catalogs. I've been doing some testing on it this morning. But in our example, we want to add that to our new catalog. And the default is provided here, or you could choose any other catalog. But I find it easier to use the default. We're going to say add update catalog. So the OpenBOM Solidworks add-in has sent that part now over to the molded parts commodity catalog. Here it is, shows up in here, and it has all the properties that came over from Solidworks. So anyway, that's a simple operation, but it's very powerful. So I really want to point out that the steps here are to open the Solidworks part, visit your settings and set your default catalog, although you don't need to do that. I recommend it. And then also while you're there, make sure you understand what properties and whatnot that you're sending over there. And then finally use the add update part command and either choose an existing catalog or go ahead and add it to a new one. So this workflow is very handy if you're making changes to a part often and want to update it in the OpenBOM catalog. I'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Have a great day.